Yay!
It looks poopy out on the camera. I just look like a creep.
You just look like a creep. Is it? Are you going on that?
No.
You're not going on that?
On what?
On the thing.
What thing?
The recording thing.
No.
No? What is this?
It looks so bad outside on the camera. Look at it. It looks poopy.
Mm-hmm.
Like the sun is out, but it still looks like it's gonna rain. And probably Jesus.
Pablo Jesus. Traffic is bad because traffic sucks because driving is actually a lot better than taking the bus.
Oh, well, I'm not driving ever.
Okay.
I don't.
You might need a car eventually.
Well, if I have to. Only for a hippie van.
Those things guzzle gas.
I know, but they're so cute.
Okay. You're getting a hippie van. You're not driving unless you absolutely need to.
Okay.
You're going grocery shopping with that. Because you can fit a bunch of shit in it.
Not on top of the mattress that's going in the back.
Okay. I want to do a mural on it.
Okay.
And
Oh, my
on the
battery's
inside
dead.
of it.